remember, cake can show through on the crumb coat. You just want to lock in the crumb.
Lock it in. Sorry, I did it again.
Lock it in!
What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls, and we are decorating cakes again.
Yeah, we did it for my birthday.
Yes?
And now we're doing it for Deb's birthday.
Because cake.
Yeah, and decorating cakes is so fun.
It went really well last time.
Yeah.
You can watch that video up in the corner. And we're gonna be even better this time.
Yeah. Though I don't have a turntable because somehow I lost it in the move, I think. But I don't know, it's fine.
It was problematic last time anyways.
Yeah, I gotta get a new one anyways,
So
it wasn't really an advantage to have it last time anyways.
we ended up swapping.
Yeah.
Okay. So
I baked
we
cakes.
baked the cakes. We've got all our stuff, but we need to do our crumb coats.
Yeah. We need to fill the cakes and then crumb coat them. And let them sit for a little bit.
Yes, and decide what the heck they're gonna look like. 'Cause
Yeah.
I have no idea.
So tall mine's gonna be?
That's
for
beautiful.
you.
Oh.
This is to fill in any gaps, you know?
Oh my gosh.
I have some extra stuff. Or if you want like to crumble it up and put it on top of cakes.
Whoa.
Yeah, there's so many options. Okay, so not all of them are full rounds. They
That's
might need
okay.
to be like filled in a little bit. But this is a full round. We're doing a 3-layer cake?
I think 3 is. Honestly, if we do more layers, we're gonna run out of icing.
Oh yeah, definitely. All right, so should we start?
Yeah, I'm done.
Crumb coat's done. Also, for if you want the recipe for this cake, it's from Ali Lazer's cookbook, her first one. I used the chocolate depression cake, just didn't do chocolate. And then we also used her buttercream too. Oh, I was about to put my second.
I know. I was
layer
like,
on.
wait, what am I supposed to be doing now? Right.
All right. Oh right, I did a piping bag last time. I think I'm gonna do that again.
Oh.
Do we have piping bags? Do you have any ideas what you're gonna do?
No. The problem is that there's so many nice sprinkles right now.
Yeah, we're like in sprinkle heaven.
Mm.
Oh no.
What? Why are you
Just-
saying oh no?
It just broke a little bit.
Okay. Whee!
Oh, yours is coming out so nicely.
It's all in the tech.
Wow, good job. Now I'm
gonna
gonna
fill
fill
it
it in, yeah.
Oh.
You could do both.
But that seems like a waste of the nice
The
bag.
piping, yeah. So usually I just pipe the
Oh.
edge and then you fill in so that you have a nice smooth edge.
Oh my gosh, this is genius.
I
Well,
just-
it's going off the edge. It'll
And
be
you
fine.
just fill in the gap.
It'll be fine. Did you know that people make cakes like
With plastic.
yeah,
Like photo cakes.
just to practice caking?
Oh, that's cool. That's a really cool idea.
So that like they don't want to be baking cakes all the time, but they enjoy decorating a cake.
Yeah.
So they'll just buy like I guess
The styrofoam?
yeah,
Yeah.
and then decorate it with plaster.
Should we
and
do
stuff.
that next time?
We could
Should
try
not
it.
make a cake? Because we just really like the decorating part.
Yeah.
We don't really ever finish these cakes. When
Although
we eat them.
I'm not gonna use good sprinkles on that.
Oh yeah, that would have to be cheapy sprinkle.
Cheapy. That would be more for like your piping technique.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we should do that.
Wow, that's so pretty, Catherine.
It is.
It
This
is.
is so sticky.
Yeah, they are pretty sticky, eh?
I haven't decorated a cake since the last time.
We decorated cakes.
I think so. What the heck?
Me neither. Yeah, and you used to do a lot of like mini cakes.
Yeah,
And stuff.
I'm out of touch.
All right. I'm liking the way this is looking. Our layers
Sure.
are so little.
This is because I don't. Oh wait, the layers of cake or the layer of icing?
layers of cake.
Yeah.
And also, I mean, icing. I feel like most of the time icing is thicker layers, but also with thin layers of cake like this, you don't want that much
No,
icing.
God no.
I mean, God, no. In general, you don't really want that many layers of cake.
It looks great. I should stop.
Cake done, naked cake.
Naked.
All right, and this is our top, eh?
I know, right? We're here already. Why did I say it like that?
We're here already.
We made it. I hate this part because I always mess it up.
Oh, right, this is just a crumb coat. I keep forgetting.
Yeah, get messy. No, I don't know.
It just needs to lock in those crumbs.
Lock it in.
Devin, feels like you like are compensating for not knowing what's going on by just like repeating things and like being loud. Lock it up! Yeah!
You got on. Okay. That's
You almost can get like eye level with the cake here, I feel like.
Is that important?
I don't know, is it? I feel like I feel like for levels to see if your cake's straight on the side.
Oh my god, I
It might
didn't
be
even think
important.
about that.
Like, gotta smooth it out first. That ain't straight on the side, Devin. I can tell you that without getting to eye level.
I see what you're saying.
What did you think I meant?
The top, I guess. If
That
it's
too,
okay.
yeah. Because remember, cake can show through on a crumb coat. You just want to lock in the crumb.
Lock it in. Sorry, I did it again.
Lock it in! Lock in those crumbs. I'm proud of you.
What?
You did say, lock it in!
Dang
Also,
it.
like, why were you so surprised that I said, I'm proud of you? Alright, now I need to make sure the sides are straight. I think my cake looks lopsided.
Mine is not straight.
Okay, I think I'm pretty good with my sides. I think that looks
It's
like the crumbs will be
beautiful.
locked in.
Are they locked in? I
hope
don't
so.
know. Sorry.
You switched from lock them in to I don't know if they're locked in.
I'm having a crisis of confidence.
Okay, alright. Oh! I just, my finger went into the when I was trying to turn it.
You just like poked your cake?
Yeah.
That was quite the shriek.
Ah!
I'm stopping.
Your cake or the joke?
Everything.
Oh no, I think I lost some volume on my sides.
Status update. It looks like up close and too personal. Some things are better from far away.
Oh shit.
Yours looks so good.
Does it?
Yes.
I have to smooth out the sides one last time.
Mine, wow, look at that. That's how you lock it in.
Lock it in!
Mine, I'm just asking politely if they'll stay.
Please, guys.
Please
Let's
don't.
work together on this. Okay, I think that's as good as I'm gonna get. I think I'm just screwing it up.
I think
it
it looks great.
Alright, let's pop them in the fridge.
Oh.
Cake. Does it look like a nice
Oh
crumb
my
coat?
gosh, look, you're just holding it up like that.
I just dropped it.
Scary.
So we've prepped our things.
It's been 300 hours.
Yeah. I'm doing designy things, so I prepped things and a frosting color.
And we made colors.
Yeah.
Which-
I love your colors so much.
But colors are really hard.
Yeah, we
to
struggled.
make.
Okay, so are we gonna
Just
get
go for
started?
it?
Yeah.
I'm doing flowers all around mine. Or at least I hope they look like flowers.
Oh god, this isn't like staying as down as I thought it would. Oh, maybe I'll go the other way? Because it's not, sticky anymore.
I'm just gonna start.
Maybe I'll make it a little sticky. I'm doing a monster.
Monster mash.
Okay, I think I made this too
These are some ugly flowers.
thick.
I'm gonna do a little practice over here. It's hard to do it
These are some ugly flowers. I don't know what I'm doing, Devin!
Yeah, same. How do people do this?
I really thought this would be a lot easier. Like, I had stencils.
I'm so prepared. I have stencils. How could it go wrong? I love it. God, sprinkles make me so happy. This is gonna look not good up close.
Oh god, I didn't put enough sprinkles. There's a whole gap right here. Oh god. Okay. Doesn't really look like a mouth.
I think
But
it does.
Yeah?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think when you have eyes and everything, it will.
Okay, bye sprinkle. Oh jeez. This is so stressful.
Are you okay?
This is more stressful than the last cake.
Because you're being real fancy.
Am I being fancy? Is this what fancy is? I'm just following a Wilton tutorial.
I mean, definitely more fancy than me. Am I almost done? Oh my god.
Am I done? Is my cake done?
This is hard work.
It is hard work. I
should pay $1 million for cakes.
We really should. I mean, cakes are pretty expensive, but I think they should be more expensive. Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
Why?
How do I get sprinkles on the side? Without just like,
Oh,
So do I can I tilt my cake?
I think usually what people do is
With
they
their
do
hand,
this.
but how?
How do you get it into your hand? Or
Yeah. Hold on, I gotta get it propped up. I just feel like, and then you just
slap.
slap it on your cake. This is gonna take a while. We're gonna be here a little bit, okay?
These colors are really good.
They're really
Kat
good.
makes this for me. She's amazing.
I know colors.
I'm colorblind. You're getting there.
Okay, you just gotta go with a lot. You gotta go really
Yes.
heavy on the sprinkles.
I think that's what we're learning about cake decorating in general.
You gotta waste a lot of shit.
A lot of icing, a lot of sprinkles.
This is gonna take me forever. Should I just give him a bow tie? I'm exhausted already.
And you have to go all the way around.
Should I give him dots? Little random dots?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do that. Wow.
We're having fun.
So much fun! Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do. Or should I add some random ones? Should I fill in this area?
Like a small one?
Yeah.
That looks like the only area though.
Okay. Okay! Now, we are going to ice it, even though there's blue sprinkles everywhere.
It's going great.
Yeah, we're going great. Okay, should I do the sides or the top first? I
Sides?
feel like it's gonna be so hard. Yours isn't even staying on.
I know.
Okay, let's see. Is it coming out?
It is now.
That's not what I had in mind. Okay, it's kind of cute.
I
It's
think
kinda
you
all
can just
over the
let it,
place.
yeah.
Also, it's white right now because I didn't want to clean it, so I'm just gonna do random white patches. Because then he'll just have little grays.
Yeah.
Okay, he's kind of looks like hair.
That's good.
All right. How? How does this piping tip work?
I don't know. Maybe only going down, not going sideways?
Maybe let's try the top, see if it's easier.
I don't know.
I mean, the top is easier because then it just sits.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it hurts though.
Right?
No one with carpal tunnel could be a cake decorator.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Where you get your own kind of carpal tunnel from it.
Yeah. Okay, the top is looking really cute.
Oh, it is!
But I also forgot I have to give him a crown.
A crown? Oh, right.
So I think we're gonna do across there, we'll see. I'll leave a little space.
Okay, status update. That's where we're at. Look at this monster. Oh, it looks so good.
I don't know what's gonna happen with the sides. But we're just focusing
It
on the
reminds
top
me
right
of like
now.
an abominable snowman.
Oh my god, so cute.
Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do on the top? I think I'm gonna mess it up.
Oh gosh, what am I gonna do on the side? Do I have to tilt this so I can get onto the side? Am I gonna...
Oh no.
I'm gonna take it from that sound that you don't advise it.
I'm scared, that's all. I'm scared. You are living on the edge.
That's what you gotta do when you're a cake decorator.
That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Respect the process, okay?
Respect the process.
Let's see if my roses are better on top. They are not. I was so good at this last time. What
I
happened?
feel like I was better at this too last time. But I didn't do this piping too. This one's really difficult. Oh, I almost pushed my cake over.
Jesus Christ!
Okay, the sprinkle splotches look stupid.
What?
I don't know, I just think they look silly. It's fizzing.
Right? Is there some kind of science happening?
Someone tell us what science is.
What does it
happening.
mean when the icing is fizzing?
It's like fizzy soda right now.
Yeah, I'm like, what is reacting in here?
So cute.
This feels like vines coming up through the flowers.
Oh my god, I love that. Devin, this is beautiful.
Thanks.
Oh my god, I love it so much. I love your cake.
I
It's
couldn't have done it
incredible.
without you. Literally.
How? Why are you doing this? Oh god. Ah! Sometimes you just need to scream.
That's okay. I love it.
Kind of looks like Oscar the Grouch.
Oscar's cousin. It's adorable.
Oh, okay. Well, I won't go in there. Oh, his skin's falling off.
That's fine.
He's a monster.
Oh my gosh.
Is it cute?
So cute.
Okay, right here. Okay, and now I'm gonna do his little flower crown. I need this stuff. I don't know if this is gonna work at all. We're gonna see though. Where'd the scissors go?
Over here.
Wow, it's a fucking mess in here. Good thing there's a dishwasher now.
We are gonna fix this.
Yes. Alright, let's see if this is
They're so pretty.
There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so we're just gonna make it rip off the little pieces.
Here, hold.
Thank you, ma'am. And then we're gonna make sure that what goes in the cake isn't flour.
There's already flour in the cake.
Yeah, we have enough of it.
Get it?
Devin, you're so funny.
Thank you.
Should I like pre-poke a hole?
Oh, why it's gonna happen?
I don't know. I'm just like weirdly worried about it.
This is adorable.
I mean,
How deep you want to go? Oh my god, I love it.
it's so stupid. I also think there's like a better way to do this than
Oh.
saran wrap.
You could say that for this entire video.
Fair. Also, these are not edible flowers.
That's why they need to be wrapped and not eaten.
There we go. Cake done. Mess.
It's so cute though.
Oh, his
Wait,
skin
let's-
is falling off everywhere. Oh, he looks so cute in a photo.
Right? He looks great. There you go.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Here's this one.
Coachella monster.
Whee! I didn't do anything on top. I don't know.
For some name inspiration, he is a monster that is on his way to Coachella.
Oh!
Wow, we couldn't have made different cakes.
Truly.
These are our cakes.
Happy
birthday, Devin!
Thanks! This was so fun!
Is this exactly what you wanted?
Yes. Cake decorating is fun, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of mess, and also it's hard.
Yeah, respect cake decorators.
A lot.
Yeah. Like the people who make those like sculptures, even just like the grocery store cakes.
Yeah.
Like I don't think we could make anything like that.
If they make it look easy, it's because they're really, really good at it.
Yes.
And we're not. But hopefully these look good from afar.
Yeah. Mine from afar I think looks good. And I think yours, honestly I think even close up yours looks good.
I love them both.
Yeah. I think they turned out so great.
What should we decorate next?
Mini cakes?
Small.
Cupcakes.
The cakes are just gonna get smaller.
Yeah, because I think that also, like, we never really finish eating these cakes.
It's hard.
So I think we need to just do a smaller cake.
Yeah.
And, like, my hand really hurts.
That was a lot of work. I don't remember
I don't remember
struggling so
hurting
much last time. Guess we're getting older.
Yeah.
But it's fine. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day.
Have a great day. Have a great
Subscribe.
Devin's birthday. I don't actually know if it's this day.
My birthday's
Or
on a
not.
Monday.
Then it's not. It's tomorrow.
It's tomorrow. So, subscribe, leave a comment, share it, tell us about your cake decorating adventures. Shoot, and maybe we'll just do plaster next time.
Yeah.
What if plaster is easier?
Class photo.
Yeah. Okay, I'll pick mine up in a second.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, you two are so cute.
Did I make myself a flower crown?
Yeah.